Hello students of class 9th, it's time for your online biology class with me. Students, in the previous class of biology we started with chapter 2 tissues, okay, and I taught you plant tissues. I hope you all understood what plant tissues are. Let me quickly summarize. Plant tissues were basically of two types, meristematic and permanent. Meristematic were rapidly dividing cells because of which plants started to grow, okay, and the permanent tissues were mostly made up of dead cells, and they were the ones who provide strength to the plant in times of adverse climatic conditions. Okay, meristematic tissues were of three types: apical meristematic, lateral meristematic, and intercalary meristematic. The functions and the features I told you in the previous class. And then permanent tissues were of two types: simple permanent and complex permanent. Now, simple permanent were of three types: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. The parenchyma's function was to store the food of plant. Then collenchyma and sclerenchyma, they were used to provide mechanical and tensile strength to the plant. Okay, one was responsible for the mechanical strength, one was responsible for the tensile strength. I told you what are tensile strength, what do you mean by tensile strength and mechanical strength. Okay, then complex permanent tissues were of two types, xylem and phloem. Xylem's function was transport water and minerals from the root to the aerial parts of the plant, and phloem, the function was to provide food, to transport the food from leaf to the aerial parts of the plant. Okay students, now we start with animal tissues. Means in our human body or in the animal's body, what are the different types of tissues present? Well, basically there are four types. There are four types of tissues that are present in a animal body. It's present in you also, it's present in me also. Okay, the names are epithelial tissue, epithelial, then connective tissue, then muscular tissue, nervous tissue. In the first video we'll talk about connective tissue and epithelial tissue, and in the next video I'll talk about nervous tissue and muscular tissue. Okay students, first epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissues are those tissues in the body which consist of tightly packed cells. Tightly packed, they are basically present in skin, and you have skin all over your body. हर जगह skin है, so epithelial tissue is mostly present in every part of the body. Now, what are the functions of epithelial tissue? Well, there are numerous functions. The first function of epithelial tissue is it protects the underlying tissues from mechanical injury. If there is any tissue which is present beneath your skin, then epithelial tissue will protect those tissues from mechanical injury. Then second function is your intestines, they also have epithelial tissue. So they absorb water and nutrients from your digested food. जो भी खाना आप खाते हैं, whatever food you eat, it gets digested. उसमें जो भी water और nutrient है, intestine में कौन absorb करता है? Epithelial tissue. Now epithelial tissue is also present in your nephron. Nephron कहाँ होता है? Kidney में. Okay, so intestinal tissue is present in your nephrons, so it helps in excretion of nitrogenous waste. जो भी waste में nitrogen की content ज़्यादा होती है, epithelial tissues helps in excreting out. They help. पूरा it doesn't perform the function, but rather it helps in excretion of nitrogenous waste. Then fourth is probably secretion, like in digestive glands. In digestive glands we have epithelial tissue, so they help in secretion of useful substances. Okay, student, quickly let us summarize. There are four types of tissues in animal: epithelial, connective, muscular, and nervous. First was epithelial tissue, which is basically present in the skin, and because skin is present in your entire body, so epithelial tissues are found everywhere in the body. Okay, first function of epithelial tissue I told you was protection of the underlying tissues from mechanical injury. Okay, protection. Second was in the intestine, epithelial tissue is present, so it absorbs water and nutrients. Epithelial tissue is also present in kidney. Okay, in kidney there is a part called uriniferous tubule. Inside that you have epithelial tissue. So basically we say it's present in kidney, and it helps in excretion of nitrogenous waste. And fourth was secretion in the digestive gland which is present in your body. The epithelial tissue helps in secretion of useful substances. Okay, then the second part of epithelial tissue is that epithelial tissues are basically based on their shape. They are of following type. You have squamous epithelium, you have columnar epithelium, you have cuboidal epithelium, you have glandular epithelium. Squamous epithelium, they are present in square shape, so they are called squamous epithelium. Your cuboidal epithelium, they are present in cuboid shape, so they are called cuboidal epithelial. And columnar, they are present in column form, shape उनका column की तरह, इसलिए what we call them columnar epithelium. And then last is glandular, it's present in your glands. Now first was squamous epithelium. The function is all same, only the shape is different. So squamous epithelium, it is present in your mouth, nose, esophagus, blood vessels. Okay, cuboidal epithelium is present in your kidney. Like I told you, epithelial tissue is present in your uriniferous tubule, so that type is cuboidal. Then comes your columnar epithelium. Columnar epithelium is present in your intestine, pharynx, larynx यहाँ पे. And glandular epithelium is present in your glands, digestive glands or any other gland, endocrine gland. Okay, so this was all about epithelial tissue. Now we start with connective tissue. Look, what is connective tissue, students? Connective tissue means any tissue which is used for packing, binding, supporting and packing of different organs. Okay, so that is connective tissue. Okay, connective tissue like your blood, lymph, bone, skeleton, cartilage, all are connective tissue. Now what are the functions of connective tissue? See, functions, basically first function of connective tissue is binding and packing. Different organs of your body are packed, binded and supported by connective tissue. Second, connective tissues help in joining of muscle to bone. आपके जो muscles हैं वो bone से कैसे connect है? Through connective tissue. Then third, connective tissue also form a skeletal framework. Like I told you, cartilage, bones, tendons, they all are your connective tissues, so they help in supporting your body. Again, it protects the organs such as delicate organs such as your spleen, kidneys. Okay, they all are protected by connective tissue. Defense mechanism, it also helps. Okay, so there are lots and lots of functions of connective tissue. Again, it's of different types, like fluid connective tissue, any tissue which is in the form of fluid like blood and lymph. कनेक्टिव का मतलब बेटा ये नहीं कि ऑर्गन्स को कनेक्ट करना, हो सकता है फूड को भी पहुंचा रहा है, कहीं ट्रांसपोर्ट कर रहा है, सो दैट इज अगेन अ कनेक्टिव टिश्यू. ओके, लाइक ब्लड, इट ट्रांसपोर्ट्स ऑक्सीजन टू your entire body is again a type of connective, because it is in the form of fluid, it can flow, so it is called fluid connective tissue. Okay, the second type is skeletal tissue. It is hard, bone and cartilage. Third is areolar connective tissue. It binds your muscle to the skin. Adipose tissue, it stores fat in your body. So these are different types of connective tissue. Okay students, so we studied two types of tissues here, epithelial and connective. I hope you have understood. Epithelial, based on the shape, there are four types: squamous, cuboidal, columnar, glandular. So connective tissue, fluid connective tissue like blood and lymph, skeletal connective tissue, bone and cartilage. Then areolar connective tissue, any tissue which is binding your muscle to the skin is called areolar connective tissue. Adipose tissue means which stores fat in your body. Okay, so this was about the two types. In the next video I'll explain you muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Kindly go through it also. Okay.